If you are a college student and want to make your career in field of data, which is surrounded by buzzwords like artificial intelligence, large language models, generative AI, machine learning and so on, then the next 15 to 20 minutes can completely change your career direction. Hello guys, welcome to next video by Project Maker. Over the past few years, I have explored this field of data and seen what really matters to us. And in this video, I have tried to put all that experience into one clear roadmap. I have done a deep research, understood what are the industry standards, and carefully crafted or designed these 12 projects that you must do in 2026 if you want to make your career in field of data domain. These 12 projects are not just a random ideas. I have designed and structured this project in such a way that it can help you to make your career in data domain even if you are a beginner or a college student. And that's what appearing in your screen, which is the 2026 AI Builder Challenge. You should do 12 projects in 12 months if you want to make your career in field of data. The rules are simple and in front of you, which is everyone build one complete project, not half, not just a random project. You should start from doing basic data gathering, data analysis, getting basic idea of that project till deployment of that project on cloud or free hosting platform like Streamlit. And I have ensured that each project will teach you at least one new skill, and by end of 2026 you will have a portfolio that companies care about. You just have to be with me for next 15 to 20 minutes if you want to make your career in data. So let's start. Now the first question that must come in your mind is why project matters in building career. And I would like to answer your question from the quote which is appearing on the screen, which is most beginners fail not because they are bad at coding, they fail because they don't build projects. Because the project teaches you how data actually looks in real life, how to solve real life problems step by step, and how to explain your work to others and impress them. And you will also notice one thing that most of the projects are already available on my YouTube channel because I follow the same path that I am demonstrating to you right now. So I suggest take inspiration from that project videos and don't just copy them. I hope I have answered your question of why. But still, if you have any doubts or have any questions, you can simply comment down your message or you can simply DM me on Instagram. Now, let's move to the next slide, which is the first project. In the first month of 2026, which is in January, you must try the project Smart Habit Tracker app. This project will help you to build discipline, learn how data reflects in human behavior. And the reason for keeping this project as topmost priority is that you can use this project for the next 12 months. After building this project, you can start behavior analysis of yourself only, starting from checking how many times a week you get up early in the morning, do exercise, learn new skill on daily basis, and so on. And now let's explore core skills which are Python, Pandas, data visualization, Streamlit, web user interface, and basic analytics. What we will learn how to collect data and store our own data. You can use a basic NoSQL database, or if you want to host a project on internet, you can use MongoDB Atlas. The next is heuristics and consistency logic, weekly, monthly insights, and user behavior analysis that I already told. And if you are a viewer of my channel, you might know that recently I have created this smart habit tracker app. So you can watch that video and take inspiration from that video. I personally use the app, and after few weeks of using the app, I have realized that I have become more productive compared to last month or let's say December 2025. And you can use this habit tracker app to track your projects also. So you can just list down the 12 projects in the app and just start working on them based on the priorities. And the project demo of the Smart Habit Tracker app is appearing on the I button above. Please do check after watching this video entirely. So now let's move to the next project, which is Intelligent Expense Tracker. I have kept this project on number 2 because this project will simply act as a bridge from habits to finance data. You can make your own expense tracker app, start to track your expenses, let it be 1 rupee or 1 lakh rupees. You should track it, and at the month end or weekend you can take financial decision based on the analysis on which you spend. I can give you example. Suppose you are an ice cream lover and loves to have ice cream every day after dinner or lunch. So after making this project, you can just start to track your expense that you spend on ice cream. And after a month, then you would realize that you are literally spending 3 to 4 thousand on ice cream. Then you will definitely try to reduce the habit, and you can definitely have ice cream once a week or twice a week as a form of reward for being staying consistent throughout the week. Using the habit tracker app, you can track this habit, and using expense tracker app, you can make financial decisions. And the core skills are similar, which are data analysis, Google Sheets, or database as your backend DB. So in the first project, you can use MongoDB or NoSQL. In this, you can use Google Sheets, and dashboard can be of Streamlit. Now let's move to the next month project. And the next project is resume analyzer using NLP. And if you can notice, we are moving from data science field to machine learning and deep learning field. The core skills that you would achieve after making this project are NLP, text processing, similarity scorings, ML basics. And you will learn the following things, which is resume versus job description matching, keyword extraction, ATS style scoring logic. You can take PDF from Streamlit app, analyze it, and give scoring to it like other online platforms do. So this was the basic idea of resume analyzer project. Now let's move to the next month project. And the project for April month is student performance prediction. If you are noticing, the projects till now are taking your data input and providing insight. But for this project, you have to search on internet to gather student data, which is available on multiple websites. But the most preferred website that I use to collect data or dataset is Kaggle. You can explore Kaggle website, explore multiple datasets available related to this project, and make this project. The core skill that you will learn in this project is supervised ML, feature engineering, and model evaluation. And the project should use the following details in your app, which is predicts exam score based on the past history of the student, analyze learning patterns, and provide data-driven education insight to the students. If the student is poor in one subject, you can just add a line that you should work on this subject more to excel in your education. So this was the basic idea of student performance prediction projects. And the project of May month is create a recommendation system app. Recommendation systems are used by top tech giants like Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube to recommend their products to customers and to increase their profit. The core skills that you will learn are collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, and similarity metrics. And to create this recommendation system project, you need a tons of data from internet. And as I told, Kaggle is the best source for beginners to collect data. So you just have to type movie recommendation system on web browser, and the data will come in front of you. So this was all about the recommendation system project, and I would like to let you know that I have created a basic recommendation system app of movies few years back just to learn this how recommendation system works. You can take inspiration from that project and make your own project which should be more robust than mine. And the link of that project is appearing on the I button above. This was all about recommendation system project. Now let's move to the next project, real-time face attendance system, a real-world computer vision deployment project. This project can be your one of your major or micro projects in your college, which is facial attendance system. The core skill that you will learn in computer vision, OpenCV, deep learning basics, and face embeddings. And you will learn the following things in the project, which is image processing, face recognition pipelines, real world CV deployment. CV means computer vision deployment. And you can also deploy this project in your own schools or college and reduce the time of teachers to take attendance. And for your information, I have already created a basic facial attendance project using Tkinter, and the video demo of that project is appearing on I button above. You can definitely take inspiration from that project and create your own. Now let's move to the next project, which is of July month, and the project title is AI chatbot using LLMs. LLMs means large language models, and the different types of chatbots are FAQ bots, course assistant, and support chatbots. These core skills to make this project are generative AI, prompt engineering, APIs, OpenAI, and open source vector databases. Now we are shifting from data science to generating AI and prompt engineering, which is a trending buzzword nowadays. And the use cases of making this project are FAQ bots, course assistant, support chatbot, and knowledge based queries. So you can explore the LLM models which are available on internet. You can definitely use OpenAI API keys here to build this chatbot. Now let's move to the next month project, which is of August, and the title is Fake News Detection System. The title sounds boring, but it has high impact with social relevance. The core skills that you would learn are NLP plus deep learning, text classification, model explainability. For your information, I have already created this fake news detection project and already posted the project demo on my YouTube channel. The project demo link is available on the I button above, so please go check that. So this was the fake news detection system project. Now let's move to the next month, which is September, and the September month project is stock market prediction. So you should analyze market trends, risk analysis and forecast. It is similar to the last month project, which is fake news detection. And it is somehow similar, but you can get a lot of data related to this project on Kaggle or other data set providing website. The core skills, time series analysis, ML models, and implement end-to-end data pipeline. And you will learn the following things, which is market analysis, understand stock market in better way, risk analysis, forecast limitations, financial data processing. So you can step your first step in field of stock market also if you create this project successfully. So this was about the stock market prediction project. Now let's move to the next, which is October. And the project that you must do is AI based personal finance advisor. And the reason I have placed this project on this month is that after creating the project on February month, you can start gathering your own data from February month to December month. And you could have enough data to fuel this AI based personal financial advisor. So you can use your own data and provide insights like spending advice, saving recommendation, financial health score, personalized insights. So you can update that project into this and collaboratively make a single project. So by end of 2026, you can have a best habit tracker app which will help you to stay consistent, and a best financial advisor which can stop you from doing unnecessary spends and provide you saving recommendations. And for your information, I want to let you know that I am actively working on this personal financial app, and I will be definitely making a project demo of this project for you all guys. So stay tuned with me. Now let's move to the next month, which is November month, and it's end-to-end MLOps project. MLOps stands for Machine Learning plus DevOps, and I have purposefully not added a appropriate project title here because you can explore the M project and try to do one. And for your information, most of the people learning in data domain skip this MLOps idea, but companies don't. If you have a MPAS project in your resume, then the chances of getting higher are increased by 50 to 60 times. So you should do this project in month of November. The core skills that you will learn are model deployment, understanding CI/CD pipeline monitoring, and Docker plus cloud basics. In this way, you can make your end-to-end Embrace project. And if you want to find the title, you can simply copy paste the name, which is end-to-end Embrace project on internet, and you can get a list of projects idea that you can implement. But before implementing this project, you should know few points, which are bridge development to production, industry standard practices, which you must follow, make you job ready. This can definitely make you job ready. Differentiates your portfolio from 90% of audience. And to do this project, you should do the remaining 10 projects that we have already discussed till now. So this was the project of November month that you should implement. Now let's move to the last month, which is December, and the project idea is AI powered personal assistant. This is the random title that I have kept, but the core idea is you can combine every project you have learned and make your own personal assistant. The technologies that you can use are NLP and generative AI, computer vision, ML, and interactive dashboard that you learn in first few projects. So these are my 12 projects that you must try to implement in 2026 if you want to make your career in data domain. I am 100% sure that companies will reach out to you offering you a job in field of data if you follow this 12 months 12 project idea consistently for year 2026. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share your projects with friends and family members so that they can also plan their 2026 accordingly. If you accept my this 12 months 12 project challenge, just drop a thumbs up in the comment section so that I can come in touch with you and help you to shape your career in field of data. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.